Once upon a time, in the summer of 2007, there was an ancient lake buried beneath the ice of the harshest continent the world has ever seen, Antarctica. A band of curious science fellows began to drill into the ice, trying to unlock the mysteries of the Antarctic. Unbeknownst to the explorers, there was a vampiric bacteria swimming nonchalantly in the prehistoric currents. It was the same bacterium that hundreds of years ago had turned our forefathers, the dragons, into zombies, thus causing our ancestors to go extinct. Dishwashers versus zombies. Meanwhile, the dishwashers were stuck in McMurdo Station working long hours for low wages. They were never allowed to leave the kitchen. Thus, they were the last to come in contact with the primordial virus. The dishwasher's strong arms were deep in pots filled with bleach, silver power, starback blue, and various other cleaning supplies, which created a quaternary force field with odors of mint and lemon. So when the zombies ran amok in the station, gobbling astronomers, carpenters, shuttle drivers, the zombies shuffled past the dishwashers, mistaking them for kitchen appliances. Dishwashers versus zombies. The dishwashers saw that their freshly mopped floors were being tarnished by the zombies, and the brave dishwashers banded together, waving dish rags and scrub brushes, a makeshift banner and shield. They cried out, shouting in one voice, "Not today, zombies, not ever. This is our home, or at least it is for the next 6 months, and we are not leaving until we get our end of the season bonus." Then an epic battle ensued to save humankind. Since you are alive and can hear this song and have not been turned into a zombie, you know the victory went to the dishwashers. This is dedicated to the dishwashers and those who aren't about to become dishwashers. We salute you.